Hello class, it's me, Mr. Ture, and today we have another exciting painting exercise. For today's exercise we will need the following tools. We will need a large, medium, and small brush. We're going to need a rag or paper towel, pencil and eraser, clean palette, water, and finally a piece of paper. Rough side up, shiny side on the back. Alright, let's get started. Alright, here we have today's composition exercise. It's going to be a night sky silhouette landscape. Now, when you mix your color palette, keep in mind that you're going to be needing a lot of blue, a little black, which goes a long way, some yellow, some white, and here's the weird part, some orange. To start with, we need a palette that is nice and clean. So if you wash it well, there won't be any remaining colors that will contaminate the colors you eventually put in here, like yellow, white, blue, and red. Alright, let's fill our palette. Here we have our palette with our starting color scheme. We have our primary colors, nice light green if you want. We have white, and we have a little black. Notice how we don't have too much black because a little goes a long way. It's a very strong color and it can overpower the other colors if you try to mix them in equal parts. It's going to be important for today's color scheme that we have a good deal of orange, some space for that blue and orange mix, and the blue and white mix for the lighter sky at the bottom. Let's get mixing. And now we have our mixed palette. We have our original colors, uncontaminated, blue, red, yellow, green, black, and white. We have our mixed colors that we're going to use to make different values. Yellow and white for that glowing moon. We have orange to mix with blue and make our dark blue for the upper sky. We have green if we need it. And anything else we need, we can mix in these free areas. The black is going to be used for the silhouette. A silhouette is an object lit from behind where all of the detail is missing. You just see the shape itself, like the tree we saw. Let us get started with drawing. Alright, now it's time to draw our landscape. We're going to give a lot of room to the sky, so our horizon line will be down here. Mine will be bumpy. Yours can be wavy or completely flat if you want. But I'm going to have a little texture, a little space. I'm going to put my moon up here and to the left. You don't need a moon if you don't want to. Nice confident circle. Now I can make it bigger if I want, but I think this is the way that I want it. And I'm going to place an eerie, barren tree in the middle. The roots going up like this, with maybe some branches. At any time, I can always erase and change. Usually branches get thinner as they get higher. This is where the crows will eventually perch. Alright, to begin, we're going to fill the entire sky with pure blue. Now it's time to add some of that orange and blue mix to the top area. This is the darkest part of the sky where the moon is. The lightest part, the part that's mixed with a little white, will be down here. That will show the silhouette. So we're going to take our blue and we're going to take our orange and we're going to mix it together until we get this value. So we have the darker or the cooler blue up here. We have a bright blue down here where the sun is still setting. Let's paint this with blue and white. So we might need to change our water. Now here, we can have more regular blue, just plain blue. Let's mix white and yellow for the moon. You want to be careful and make sure when using a light color that your brush is completely washed, or else this happens. Now it's time for the stars. All right, now it's time for the ground and the tree. Finally, we're ready to add the birds and the tree. So let's draw them with a really fine brush, the way we would with a pencil. Now you might find that the tree that you paint is better than the tree that you drew. The more you do something, the better you get at it. let's look over the final composition to see if there's anything we can fix. Fine tuning is always good. Layering is always good. And once again, if you do get frustrated, please just take a moment, step away from the art, and get back to it when you are confident. This is supposed to be fun. Well, my friends, thank you very much for painting along. Here is your second composition, a wintry night sky. I look forward to painting with you again.